Okay, so one of our duck eggs is about to hatch completely. And I thought I'd show you guys. Just getting its head out now. Oh, there we go. Hello. Oh, are you opening your eye? Its head's tiny. Hello, come on in. Hello. Oh, so cute. Even when they are all floppy and wet. Come on in. So cute. Now, we have to leave it in the incubator for 24 hours. In order for it to dry out. And I think this is the same egg as Forrest came out of. It's the same breed. Either a khaki Campbell cross runner or a true runner. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on how it does, and yeah, see you soon. Thank you. Bye.